lovely day.
Well, I guess the question is, who lives in a van like this?
Well, I don't know, but I've made myself comfy. I've made myself a nice cuppa.
Do you think there's any special features that would let our audience know? Donuts as well?
Well, I don't know who it is. Maybe it's the owners of this van. Maybe they like donuts.
Maybe a bit of a clue. Oh, we've got some glasses. I think we see the glasses on quite regular. We've also got a little furry friend.
I'm guessing the person may or may not be on a diet. I'm not sure. Maybe this is the children's portion.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe. That could be a clue.
So are you going to give us a tour?
Well, let's have a look in the bathroom. Hang on. Special feature in this. Can we get this? Look at this.
That's specially designed for short people, I think.
Short people. Could that be another clue? Let's have a...
Is it tidy? Is it clean?
It's alright. I think the owner might need to give it a bit more of a clean. Not sure. Maybe she's a bit too short to reach the...
Maybe a she, do you think, then?
Well, she, he. Is it a she and a he? Who knows?
So is there anything we can see? Come on, let's have cupboards open. We have to have a look in them. Oh, hold on, I've just spotted something.
Look,
sure the essential fruit bag, macrame fruit bag.
Oh, what about all the...
Oh, yeah, bit of decoration.
Flowers? Let's have a look. Right then. Oh, hang on, I've got a bit of a clue. Maybe this person was at Vanlife.
So we think we might have seen it before.
They've been at Vanlife. I do also think there is another clue that I'd like to show you. Do you want to step back, please, cameraman? Now then, this person, I think, may be on some kind of diet. So I was right the first time. So, yeah.
You had a pre-rummage?
Eh? No, I happen to know that he opened the cupboard here yesterday. So, and I spotted this, so this is another little clue. I'm not sure the Pringles are really going to help, if I'm totally honest. Maybe they're lapsing a little bit. Maybe they're struggling. Anyway, it's been lovely, but I'm off to bed.
Oh, we've got an issue.
Oh, hang on. Well, I was going to bed, but...
Was there a bit of a clue there? Some orange and grey? Orange and grey?
Somebody wants to leave the pants. Anyway.
Just having a look round the bedroom.
Oh.
Have a good look. Oh, he's here.
Oh, God, you have to. Please. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, I tell you what, though, you get some fresh air, lady, yeah? I'd keep these doors open all night, me. It's dead comfy, this bed, though.
What else have we got? We're going to have another little...
Oh, I tell you what they have got.
Oh, a nice Panama hat.
They've got some nice plug sockets. Hey, there's some LEDs here. Hang on. On. What's it done?
Power's not on. Nothing.
Oh, yeah, look.
Have we got lights underneath?
I've done it.
Oh, definitely a lady. I can definitely see a bit of van love again. Got another van love.
Oh, it's a really comfy bed.
So yeah. I guess the question is, who lives in a van like this? So what we're going to do now is, our audience at home, you're going to get a sneak preview and a bit of an interview with the celebs. So see you shortly. Bye.
See you shortly. Bye.
So just want to welcome you back. So welcome back, viewers. So whose van is it? It's the Crafty Blinders.
Hi.
So we've got Sam and Lisa. So we don't often see Lisa. So for the last couple of goes, we've not met. So we've certainly caught up this weekend. So we're at the...
She's out on good behaviour.
It's a good behaviour,
Yeah.
that's it.
Yeah,
on good
well,
time.
She's sometimes a little bit hard to see too, aren't you, Lisa?
I don't know what you mean.
So we're at the Vanlife and Overlanders Festival down in Newbury. So what do you think, guys? Have you had a good weekend?
Yeah, it's been really good.
Proper chilled out, proper laid back. It's nice to look forward to this because it was we knew certain people would come in that we haven't seen in a long time, so it was nice to have a good catch up.
Yeah.
And I've enjoyed
Yes, I haven't
meeting
seen you in
everybody.
weeks.
Everybody.
Yeah.
Love meeting everyone. It's been lovely.
You've got a lovely comfy van.
Oh, thank you.
As he's found
Your
out being
bed's
in your
very
bed.
comfy.
Is it?
Good job, I didn't find that.
Yes,
that
my
you
little
found.
my little nightie.
Little
Yeah.
pocket rocket night.
Yeah.
So I guess for us, we were saying earlier, it's kind of quite a different vibe here. I think it's definitely more inclusive. Lots of families. They've really catered for kids this time, which I think has been brilliant.
Yeah.
What are you up to later in the year?
So the next festival for us is Summer on the Humber with Lee
Yeah. It's in Hull, isn't it? Lee and Kerry.
just off the Humber Bridge.
Yeah.
So it's all to raise money for Mind.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, mental
So
health charity.
it's to support mental health and try and bring it up to the forefront again. There's something coming next year as well, but I can't talk about that.
We'll have to have a big reveal later, maybe.
Yeah.
We're going to be heavily involved with another festival, a new festival, and that's going to be on the south coast.
Oh, is it?
So I can't say anything yet, but
Can you tell us once the camera's off?
I can tell you all about it.
Oh,
But yeah, I've sworn to secrecy at the minute, but plans are afoot, and contracts are being signed, and things are happening.
Oh.
So
cool.
So you're doing a talk?
Possibly.
we're going to be looking at
Don't
the
be silly,
creator
boys.
area.
Oh.
We're going to try and do things a bit different at the creator area this year. We're going to try and, make it a bit unique for this festival. So
Okay.
Yeah.
I've got
That'll
a
be
couple
fun.
ideas that I want to do, and
You did a talk at Vanlife, and that were really good.
Yeah. The first one I did at Vanlife Festival was like nervous,
Yeah.
really nervous. I've never done anything like that before, but if you know me, I don't say no to anything.
Oh,
most
anything?
So having the opportunity to talk about something that I think we need to bring out into the open, that's obviously overweight vans and stuff like that. Given that opportunity, I thought, I've got to do it because it doesn't just benefit me, it's going to benefit a lot of other people.
You got loads of people round, didn't you?
Good crowd.
There were a lot.
And the fact it was on the radio, I
Yeah.
didn't know that
Yeah.
till afterwards. It was
Yeah.
on Vanlife Radio,
Yeah.
and I was like, was it?
Yeah, that's
So
good.
everybody in the vans could actually tune in and listen to you.
I only found out because the guy said, I was running late for the talk. He said, but I didn't miss anything because it was on in every single van that I walked past.
Brilliant.
Oh,
So when he
that's
got
good.
there, he hadn't missed anything, which was it's a bonus. But I enjoyed that one. It was good. The show and tell, the way they did it as well, like bringing you to the front of the stage,
Yeah.
putting it all on mic, and I had to learn a few new tricks. And
Yeah.
point the microphone at people when they're talking to you.
I guess it's really
Something
interesting
really
because obviously from our point of view, I don't know if you feel the same, you start off sort of with the YouTube and doing content and you're totally in control of what you're doing, you can edit out what you don't like, and then you meet the public and then it's like a totally different world because it's they know you but you don't know them, and I think it's a really weird relationship.
It is.
How I get around that is I ask everybody what the names are at the beginning.
Yeah.
And I have to ask them again at the end because I haven't got a clue. It's gone. But it's that thing. They know you.
Yeah.
They've got a rapport with you already, and you haven't got that with them. So you have to establish something right at the very beginning. And we've had it where we were stopped in the street, haven't we? And we've been talking to people, and I'm like, sorry, what's your name?
Yeah.
Straight away, what's your name? Because they're calling you by your name.
Yeah.
I need to be on a level playing field. What's your name?
Yeah.
So, and that helps me.
It is lovely though, isn't it?
To
speak to people
and it's that give back, isn't it? Is in there's that. I mean, you could sort of kind of isolate yourself to because obviously everybody's different, and this is one of the things I always ask. Is the fact that it's a one-way transaction sometimes, and I think it's a responsibility to make it work for your viewers as well.
Definitely.
And bridging that gap for I know it's a bit uncomfortable. I mean, it was really weird because we were going around the NEC thinking, was it February? And I'm like, we'd seen all the people,
We'd
and
only
it's
met
like
a couple of people at that point.
Yeah.
I think for us it was like, now we're part of this massive community, and we know now lots of people who and we all have similar interests, which kind of brings you together.
It
That's
does.
what a lot of people don't realise. When you buy a van, you've got a free pass to this community. And
Yeah.
it's like the best way to start the conversation is go and stick your head in somebody's van and just say, I like that.
Yeah.
Brilliant, yeah.
And everybody loves talking about the van.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course they do. They're proud of
So
them,
on
aren't they?
that note, Lisa,
Yes.
you haven't done much talking.
I
so-
don't do much talking,
so-
I'm quiet.
What do you?
Oh my God, that couldn't be any further from the truth.
Not quite.
I am quiet! I am
So,
quiet!
Lisa, what do you like best about this van? What's the best feature
This feature.
apart from the bed?
Right. The step to get into the bed.
Oh, I feature that.
Do you feature
I
that?
do
Yeah, that
feature
is very
in the
important. That is crucial for me. Otherwise, Sam would have to run and catapult me into bed. Or he could just carry me to bed.
Now, I love this feature.
The
But
lower
I've
microwave.
heard it doesn't get used very
No,
often.
no, not at all.
It's like the TV. They never get turned on.
Too busy socialising, nothing wrong with that.
So is
No.
that your favourite feature, your steps?
My steps into my bed, yeah.
Your
got
shower
to
is
be.
quite clean. I've had a good look
Oh,
in
did
there.
you look? Yeah, I tried to
I've
clean
had
it
a
as
good-
much as I could,
I've
yeah.
had a good look in your shower.
He's had a look in your drawers.
Is that, oh, have you been in my
I've
drawers?
been in your drawers.
Yeah,
I'm also aware that,
yes.
Sam, you want a bit of a health kick, a bit of a diet?
Oh,
When I-
yeah.
When I
Yeah.
looked in one of the cupboards, I've seen one of your... So when we see you next, you're going to be...
It's going to
You'll
be...
not see me. I'm
Exactly.
going to identify as transparent.
Well, it'd be alright because we can just post you everywhere then. Literally.
I identify as skinny now. I'm non-slender.
Non-slender. Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Well,
So, yeah, you will
guys,
be. You'll be...
It's
No.
been amazing
Oh.
talking to you, meeting you.
Now
Well,
I've got a
it's
final
fabulous.
question.
Oh.
What's next? What would you do
Ooh.
next? Is it a new van or is it more alterations? Or are you just going to sit in the
I
sofa
would
a
like.
bit?
I would like to get a new van.
Would you?
Yeah,
Oh,
like an
Sam.
older style van. Bex and Dave have talked about it as well. Like
Bit
getting-
vintagey?
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah.
And then, but mod, like have it all modern inside.
I just want to buy a big truck off around the world.
Don't spare them.
It's alright. We'll put a duck up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we might go our separate ways. Who knows?
Pardon?
It's
You can
yeah.
go in a truck, and I might carry on in the crafty blinders.
Yeah, we can get her a Citroen partner, you know, one of the little ones, a Berlingo.
So, that is, I suppose, to be seen. What happens?
Next, yeah.
What happens
There's a
next?
there's a big one I'd love to do, and that's cross Canada and then the Pan American Highway. But I believe I would get stuck in Mexico. I don't think I'd get past Mexico.
Oh, I might come with you there.
No, unfortunately.
I might, I might
That's
travel
on the
there.
to-do list.
Yeah.
We've been under the Pan American Highway, but not over it.
Yeah, we've been under it.
It's
Yeah.
extremely humid.
Is
Yeah.
there?
Yeah, it
No
broke a
jokes,
camera.
please, Lisa.
Where we
Yeah.
at?
Really?
Hey,
Where we at?
we did the
Panama Canal, we went straight
Oh,
under it, yeah.
did you? Oh, that was a
We've got children firing Nerf bullets.
That was a very
close.
call.
Interrupting our interview. Right.
Oh,
We better go off. before
yes,
we
it
kill 'em.
did.
That's it.
Little. Oh, thank you.
But yeah,
Alright,
it's,
darling.
it's great to spend
Thank
some
you
time
for
with you guys.
inviting
It's
us
been
Yeah.
lovely.
into your van.
Have a good
home.
Oh, you're
Coming
welcome.
in. Hey, come on, you! Little pocket rocket.
It's me, Sam.
You
Oh.
blanked me this morning.
Oh, he's a good hugger. He's a good hugger.
But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to these guys. Amazing videos. Sam does some really good content on alterations.
And he's a lot bigger than us.
Yeah, a lot
And
bigger.
I'm talking about his channel, not his weight.
But thanks for watching. Enjoy. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye.